Sweat falls down, but hope remains. Steel was broken now, can shine so bright, like we rise again from shadows of the night. Under blazing sun, through pouring rain. Sweat falls down, but hope remains. Steel once broken now, can shine so bright, like we rise again from shadows of the night. Scars remain upon these hands, but the heart will never end its stand. From the rusty piles left for years behind, careless hands ignite a burning fire inside. Engines breathing, wheels begin to spin. Once again they rise to life beneath the sky. It's more than just work, it's the dream we chase. Every turning gear beats with our heart's pace. Through forgotten time, through the dust and pain, bringing back the faith, bringing hope again. What was lost can be reborn, stronger than the day it's torn. Believe tomorrow will shine bright, like glowing steel in a worker's fight. From the rusty piles left for years behind, we restore a brand new life to shine. Live with courage, burn with all your might, like the fire of mechanics, never touch the nights of night.